Good morning. This is Ron Richardson with Region 10. Today I want to show you how to build a unit test using Aware. I've logged into Eduphoria. From the home page here, I'm going to select Aware. Within Aware, I look over in the left-hand panel and I can see my courses and periods. I'm now looking at the various tabs that are on the left-hand side. The Analyze tab is where we do our data analysis. Assessments is where we build our assessments. So I'm clicking on Assessments. From Assessments, we're looking down the bottom left-hand corner, Create a new teacher test. New teacher test, we're going to create a new blank test. Using Eduphoria navigation, bottom right-hand corner, Next. I'm going to give it a title. Let's make that my first unit test. And this will be a 4th grade math unit test. Bottom right-hand corner, Next. I'm now going to select the course associated with this test. Bottom right-hand corner, Next. And now Finish. I now have created the shell of the test. Looking at the tabs, the horizontal tabs, General, Curriculum, Questions, and Advanced. To complete the test, we need to look at each one of these. From the General tab is where we'll set the basic information for the test. The Curriculum is the courses that the test is tied to. Questions is where we bring the content in. Since we want to build a unit test, we're going to use the Search Item Bank option. I'm going to click on Search Item Bank. It displays a blank screen with a search box. From the search box, I'm going to type in Unit 1. I'm now going to click Search Item Bank. And all questions pertaining to Unit 1 will be displayed. I can scroll through those. I'm verifying that they are all English. I can look at the various SCs, the level of difficulty, the complexity. After viewing that information, we're going to select all and then Add Selected. I'm going to give it a little bit. The question should pop in on the test on the background there. Once I see that, I'm going to close the selection screen. And I now have my test available. I'm going to save it. And from here, there's several things we can do. If I am part of a team working with other teachers to build a test, I can share with that team right now. If I'm sharing it to a campus or district admin for them to sign the test, I can click on the Share option. But for now, we're going to leave this as the teacher test. We made the test active, saved the good measure, and then as a teacher to administer this test, I need to go back to the Analyze tab, to the Test Available button. Test Available is actually going to show the test that I have created. I'm going to scroll down to the list, and there's my first unit test. When selecting the first unit test, it shows my periods. I will highlight one of my periods for math, and then look at my options at the bottom. I can print answer sheets, enter answers, use response pads, or start online testing. Again, this is the brief summary of building a unit test. Thank you.